Hey guys, I'm Nina Zadeh with Sidewalker Daily, and in today's video, I want to share with you some exciting news when it comes to the Instagram search bar. So Instagram has updated their search bar, guys, and I think it is going to be way more keyword based than it was before. Now, before this update happened, when you typed in a word in the Instagram search box, you were limited to the account, the name of a user, hashtags, or the location. But now it is completely changed. I'm going to share my screen and show you guys what I mean by this. But I wanted to explain a little bit before I do what this search functionality means to you and to others. Before I jump in, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you guys can be up to date on all good things social media marketing and influencer marketing, because we work with influencers and creators and we work with brands on their social media strategy. Okay, so let's talk about this search bar and why it's so cool. So now, you know how like a lot of you guys are putting like all different variations of hashtags to help you get discovered on Instagram? Well, it seems like this stress is going to be going away, and Instagram wants to make it so that you get discovered easier by using the right type of words in your caption. So for those of you that are like don't really understand how keywords work, I'll just make it super simple. So a keyword, or let's just call them a word, is basically what someone is searching because they want to learn about, right? So if you're searching, I don't know, postcard places or places to go in California, that is technically considered a keyword because it's a search. What is someone searching? Now, if you are doing content that is going to answer this question, Instagram wants to populate your post so that the person searching it gets more visibility to get their answer, to get their request. And it's also giving you an opportunity to get more views and more discovered on Instagram. So this is super cool. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and show you guys what I mean by this new keyword so you can kind of see how things are broken out. And before I do, if you guys are interested in learning more about Instagram, I have a free training that I'm going to link below. It's an Instagram free training. It's like our secret video. It is full of all my deepest, darkest Instagram secrets. So you're definitely going to want to check that video out. It's free for our YouTube community. Just click the link below and you will find that. Okay, so let's go ahead and share my screen. So let's go ahead into our search box and you'll see it. Now Instagram is prompting us. It's saying playing games, search WordPress design, search, travel bug. I'm going to go ahead and search postcard places. And once I hit enter, you're going to see before it only showed us the accounts and the tags and the places, but now we're able to see these three little search buttons. So let's click one and we're hitting postcard places. Now I'm going to go ahead and click a post. This post has the word postcard in the caption, but it also has it in the hashtag, which tells me this photo is being populated because of the hashtag and maybe the caption. Let's try a different one. We're going to click this image. We're going to hit the more button to see the hashtags, and also this one has postcard places. Now let's try something else. Let's go ahead and click postcard places Europe. This is a filter on the top. I'm going to click an image and see, does this photo say postcard places Europe? It does not. Nowhere in the hashtag or in the caption does it have those three terms, which suggests to me that Instagram knows this photo has a postcard place Europe element. Let's look at this one. This one also does not have the hashtag postcard places Europe. So it's helping discoverability. It's helping you get discovered more because it seems like Instagram now knows what's going on in the photo versus from a hashtag. This photo also does not have the hashtag postcard places. Now let's go ahead and try another example. Let's try postcard places coffee. Let's say we wanted a cute coffee shop. Okay, this one caught my eye. Now, when I go ahead and I click more, the same thing, the word postcard places coffee is not in the hashtag, but I can tell by the title of this account, it's Coffee Shops of the World, which is something that if someone that's searching postcard places coffee would want to know. And look, I'm now discovering an account that has exactly the type of content that I'm looking for based on just using that search box. Now, we don't have information yet as to how Instagram is pulling these keywords. What's the algorithm doing? I'm sure it's based on a variety of different things. Like, I'm sure the accounts that I show you post consistently. They probably post tons of other quality content. They probably post very travel postcardy content. So I think an account that like never posts anything and then decides to just put a keyword, I don't think they're going to get found. But think about it, like it's the same with Google. Like Google isn't going to populate a blog post that just has a keyword in it. It wants to give the people searching the best blog article ever, right? So Instagram's going to want to do the same. They're not going to be putting junk content on that explore page, on that search. They want to give people the best of the best. So it's just another way to help you get discovered, but I don't think it will, if you don't have a consistent or a strong Instagram strategy put in place, I don't know how much that will help you. But for those that are using Instagram in this capacity, I do think it will. And of course, if you guys need a little bit of one-on-one or want to work with me, I can help you develop that strategy. I'll leave some links below on ways that you can work with me. I hope this little screen share was helpful to show you guys how keywords are coming into Instagram search. I know this is going to be a topic we're going to be exploring a lot, so I can't wait to share everything I learned with you guys. And I will definitely see you in the next video. Oh, before I do, make sure you comment. Let me know. I want to read from you guys. I want to learn from you guys. Has the search helped you? Are you putting keywords in your captions? Is it helping you grow? Is it helping you get discovered? Let me know. It helps me with my research. So let me know in the comments. I read all of them. Okay, now I'll see you guys in the next video, and thank you for being here.